welcome to Review Chainz. Today it's not going to be a review but a little tutorial on how to clean your graphics card, because especially in this corona crisis we have been using them a lot and they collect a lot of dust, as you can see. Voila. And like this, of course, your card will overheat and will age very fast. So what you need is a screwdriver across, the magic toothbrush, medium hard, and whatever you can get, a vacuum cleaner or whatever, to put it next to it and make it suck up the dust, because it wouldn't be nice to let the dust fly in the air and getting it sucked up by other technology. Now in this case, this is a GTX1070 from an Alienware Aurora. It is a standard one who got shipped with it. We have 3 screws here to unscrew and 3 on the other side. No cables to damage, because every graphics card is a bit different. Look at this. Now this is one dirty card. See this? Of course it's gonna eat them. Now let's get the cleaning. So if you have a vacuum cleaner, just put it on and suck a little bit of the air. Don't put it too hard so you don't damage your fan. Now there's much more less dust, and the rest of this we're going to clean up with a toothbrush. You can see this cooler is very deep, so it's a little bit more difficult to remove all the dust. So from the other side, sometimes if you have brushes with like longer hairs, it can be very handy. There are still some spots I'm not getting to with the toothbrush. I'm gonna use a toothpick for this. So this is our final result. It's very clean, as you can see. There's no dust anymore. We can put the cap back on and use it for whatever we do. Voila. Now as you can see through. It's very clean now. It will get the air much better through it and it will cool down much faster. And voila. This is the final result. I assembled it and I tested it already. It's working just fine. No noise. It's not overheating or anything. If you have any questions or remarks, just write it down in the comments. Subscribe, and we will show you some more interesting videos in the future. Stay healthy.